Look at you go, sweetie. Yeah. Yeah, good job. Keep those legs under. Good job. Yes. Uh-huh. You know how to work that little body, don't you? Oh, it's hard work, isn't it? Yeah, Bruce. Ah! Yeah. You're doing great. Yeah. You got what you needed? You're going to hang out there for a bit? Good job crawling, sweetheart. Yeah. Say, Mama, you're in trouble. You're in trouble, Mama. I'm going to get you. I'm coming to get you. You're going to chew on my chin? No. Oh, oh, what you doing? Dada. You say Mama? Mama. Mama. Hey. Mama's right there. Mama. Dada. Okay.